Hello students, myself Purushottam Kasle, Junior College Teacher, Department of Mathematics from Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, RBNB College, Srirampur. Students, today in bridge course we have to see circle, chapter of mathematics, basic concepts of circle. We know that what is mean by circle and basic concepts of circle. Okay, we are familiar to various types of geometrical shapes like angle, triangle, quadrilateral, circle, polygon, etc. Okay, now today we have to see information about a circle. We know that definition. Okay, बोला. हा तुमचा माईक बंद करा सर्वांनी, मध्येच बोलू नका, लक्ष द्या इकडे सर्वजण. तुम्ही मध्ये बोलला तर डिस्टर्ब होईल सर्वांना. ओके, डेफिनेशन ऑफ सर्कल. अ सर्कल इज अ लोकस ऑफ all points which are equidistant from fixed point. The fixed point C here, this is the circle. This CA is a fixed distance or equal distance, and C is the fixed point. This point C is called as center of the circle, and this segment CA is called as radius of the circle. Okay, also we know that if we draw a segment BD here like this from center, a segment passes through a center which is called as diameter of a circle. Okay, also if we draw another segment here EF, which is the chord of the circle, which is the chord of the circle. Now we also see this figure. In this figure we see center of the circle, radius of the circle, diameter of circle is BD, and EF is the chord of the circle. Okay, this is the basic information for circle. Also we know that circumference of a circle, formula for the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Suppose circumference is P is equal to 2 pi r. And also we know that area of a circle, A is equal to area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Okay, these are the basic concepts for circle. Now today we have to see here a relationship between circumference and diameter of a circle. Relation between circumference and diameter of a circle. Okay, diameter of a circle. Now also we can draw another circle here. This is again a circle. If the circumference of a circle is suppose 19 centimeter and diameter of a circle is equal to 6 centimeter. What is the relation between circumference and diameter? The ratio of the circumference of any circle and its diameter is little over 3, and it is remains constant. That constant ratio is represented by pi, and value of this pi is 3.14 or equal to 22/7. Now we suppose circumference of a circle is 19 centimeter and diameter of a circle is equal to 6 centimeter. If we take ratio of these two terms, that is 19/6 is equal to 3.16. Okay, this ratio is little over 3, which is 3.16. okay, and क्लिअर दिसत नाही, थोडासा रेंजचा प्रॉब्लेम असेल आता. हां, रेंजचा प्रॉब्लेम असेल, काही मुलांना दिसत असेल व्यवस्थित, काहींना दिसत नसेल. बघा, थोडंसं रेंजमध्ये राहा. सर्वांना दिसत नाही का? हां, ओके ओके, क्लिअर होईल. हां, ओके ओके. hello, this constant ratio is denoted by pi and value of pi is 3.14 is equal to 22/7. okay, now also we know that arc of a circle, we can draw here arc in a circle. This is center C, point A, point B, and this AXB is called as arc of a circle, and also AYB is also arc of a circle. okay, but this arc AXB is a minor arc of a circle. AXB is minor arc of a circle, and AYB is called as major arc of a circle. okay, now here we can find the measure of minor arc AXB. number first, measure of minor arc AXB is equal to, what is measure of this arc? Measure of minor arc is equal to measure of central angle. okay, measure of central angle. We know that if the vertex of the angle at the center of the circle, measure if the vertex of the, hello, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? वन मिनिट. आहे का क्लिअर? ओके, थोडासा रेंजचा प्रॉब्लेम कमी जास्त होत असेल, ॲडजस्ट करा. सारखं तुम्ही मध्ये बोलत राहाल तर मग लेक्चर होणारच नाही. ठीक आहे, आपण काय पाहतोय? सेंट्रल अँगल. इफ द वर्टेक्स ऑफ द अँगल ॲट द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल, देन दॅट अँगल इज कॉल्ड एज सेंट्रल अँगल. अँड हिअर we have to see measure of minor arc AXB is equal to measure of central angle ACB. This is the central angle. Measure of minor arc AXB is equal to central angle. Measure of central angle. Measure of central angle. Okay. Now second, we have to find the measure of the major arc. Measure of the major arc. Measure of major arc is equal to 360 degree minus measure of minor arc. Measure of minor arc or measure of central angle. Measure of major arc AYB is equal to 360 degree minus measure of minor arc or measure of central angle. Okay, and number third, measure of arc in a semicircle. Measure of arc in a semicircle is equal to 180 degree. Is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now here we have to see measure of arc AXB, measure of arc AYB, and if we extend this segment CA, then this becomes a semicircle, and this AYC, arc AYC or ACYA is called as arc in a semicircle, and measure of this arc is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now we see here next point, relation between circle, chord and arc.